Hello and welcome everyone to Variety Stick 2. In this video I will show you step by step how you perform hard reset in case if you own the Moto G Play 2024 and for whatever reason you forget the password and you can't access the phone anymore. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't, give me a thumbs up, and without any further ado, let's find out. Now before we start, quick disclaimer. Doing factory reset or hard reset means you're going to lose all the information. Now in case if you have a Gmail account that already synced to the phone, once you finish the factory reset you are required to use the same Gmail account and the same password. Now to perform hard reset you will need technically to shut the phone completely off. Now the Moto G Play 2024 doesn't shut off if you're trying to press power and volume up. Even if you get this pop up for turn off, it's not going to do it. Now instead of this we need to hard restart the device first. You just need to follow whatever I'm going to be doing right now. On the same two keys, power and volume up, we need to hold for around 5 to 6 seconds. Once the phone shuts off completely, I have to remove my finger from the volume up and the power, and after 1 second I have to press again on the volume down and the power key. We'll go ahead and do it together. First, we need to press the two keys, volume up and power key. Now hold till the screen shuts off. Now immediately 1 second, and then I press back on the volume down and the power key till you get this screen. So this screen, technically the recovery menu. But first we need to go to the recovery menu by clicking on the volume up or the volume down. It should change and you need to go to recovery menu. Now to select you need to press the power key. Now wait a few seconds. And then you're gonna go to the no command screen, as you guys can see. So when you get this screen, well, here's what you need to do: power and volume up, power and immediately volume up, and release on both. So let's go ahead and do it. Power, volume up, and release. Power, volume up, and release. Now it's gonna take you through many options over here. Select through the volume down and go to wipe data factory reset, and then select by the power key. Now you're gonna get confirmation message about the factory reset. You're gonna lose all your information. Highlight factory data reset and press the power key again and wait a few more seconds. Now the phone will go back to the same screen. All you have to do, press the power key again, and that should do it and factory reset the phone completely, and the phone will be as the first day you purchase the device. Remember, you need to bypass the Google activation screen by entering the same Gmail account and the same password if you have one already. That was very much it. I wish you guys find it helpful. If it did, thumbs up and subscribe for more here at Variety Stick 2. Thank you so much everyone for watching. As always, we will see you in another video.
In a casket, I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got